There in this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Avast Antivirus from your Windows computer. Avast is a popular antivirus software, but if you decide it's time to say goodbye, follow these simple steps to remove it safely. Many users have reported that Avast can sometimes slow down their PC or cause other performance issues. If you're experiencing similar problems, uninstalling Avast might help improve your computer's performance. Remember, it's essential to have an alternative antivirus solution or Windows Defender enabled to keep your computer protected. Let's get started with the uninstallation process. Open the Control Panel. Click on the Start button Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search box and click on the Control Panel app to open it. Select Programs and Features. In the Control Panel, click on the Uninstall a Program link under the Programs category. This will take you to the Programs and Features window. Locate Avast in the program list. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find Avast Antivirus or any Avast-related applications. The list may be alphabetically sorted, making it easier to find. Uninstall Avast. Once you've located Avast, select it by clicking once to highlight it. Window, you'll see the Uninstall button. Click on it to start the uninstallation process. Avast uninstallation process. The Avast uninstaller will run, and you may be asked to provide further confirmation or select specific components to uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts and instructions. If necessary, after the uninstallation is complete, you might be prompted to restart your computer. If so, save any unsaved work and click Restart to allow the changes to take effect. Once your computer restarts, you can verify that Avast has been successfully uninstalled by going back to the Programs and Features window. Check if Avast is no longer listed in the installed program. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Avast Antivirus from your computer. If you are experiencing performance issues or if Avast was slowing down your PC, this should help improve your computer's performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.